So I noticed when I was putting this piece together that we had some, this is red oak, and we have some curly. So even though it looks like it's not sanded, it's, you know, very smooth. But the grain of the wood is actually going like this, giving you that curly look. And you can see it right there to some extent if you look at it. You can see the grain along that edge. Now this is a piece that started doing a little spaltic. It was put when it wasn't dry and it was stacked solid. So you can see some coloring going on here. And when we start to put oil on this, it should bring that out even more. So I don't want to get my phone oily, but let's, yeah, you see that? Looks really cool. And when we go on the side here, let's do this. I'm not sure what this is going to look like. Got a lot of character, like it's aged. Well, you can see the edge is curly. So I don't know what causes this. Some trees seem to have a lot of it. It's kind of rare though. You don't really see it a lot. So, but it is different species will have it. So in this case, it's red oak. So there's some curly red oak. A nice piece of black walnut here that was near a crotch in the tree, I think, because the wood's going all different ways. That should look really cool too. Yeah, very cool. Okay, let's get the rest oiled.